Hey hotel hoppers, welcome to another episode. Today we are in Pullman Grande Sukhumvit in Asok and showing you one of these suites. This particular one is 2701. Come on in and see how does this suite looks like. So as we enter, we have this kind of like drinking minibar area. The minibar these days is empty. You can use it as a fridge. You have a few water bottles complimentary, and if you want to make a hot drink, they just have a Nescafe red cup. There is no tea. That's the only thing you have. So it's service cuts, as you can say. Then we have this kind of living room area where we have like I think it would be good for maybe 3-4 people to sit on the sofas. There is also TV and very tiny window, so it's like this kind of maybe good for watching something, or if you want to do some work. There is a proper working desk. It's the same desk they have in the normal rooms, but it's just as you have a dedicated living room, it's placed here. If you want to charge something, you have this kind of universal plug system, so probably you can plug in anything you need to. Yep. Let's see what is in the bedroom. So in the suites, the bedroom has a king-size bed. And it looks like normal cotton pillows. I think in the old days this Pullman also used to have also a pillow menu, but those days seem to be bygone. There is also TV here in the bedroom, and it has number of connections. So if you have the VCR system from the 90s, you can plug that one in. Something for the VGA, as well as the latest devices with HDMI connection, so anything goes. In the bathroom, we have both the separate shower booth with the rainforest shower and the shower handle, and then while in the normal rooms they just have a bathtub, the suite has a jacuzzi. So it's, I see 6 water streams, so giving you maybe an evening massage in a way. What's kind of sad is that they have downgraded the toiletries to no brand ones. On the website they still say that they have Bigelow ones, but they have been like cutting it into this no brand systems. There are 2 more water bottles. If you want a shaving kit or dental kits or the body lotion, they are all here. Oh, a small extra chair. And then we have a toilet booth. It is like done a bit more Japanese style, so while in Thailand, most of the time you have the bidet shower with a hand. Over here is also the automated one you can like use with other configuration. Here you have closet for clothes. You have iron and ironing board, and hidden here you have umbrella, bathrobe, probably the cheapest slippers they can find, and in this closet there is a laptop sized safe, so good enough if you have some maybe stuff to put there as well, and another suitcase area. So this is, I think it's called Deluxe Suite here at the Pullman Grande Sukhumvit in Asok. There is another video we made about the executive deluxe room. It's actually the same for any rooms, all 3 room types, it's actually the same room. It's just like depending which floor you get in, and then do you have lounge access or not. If you book this suite, you would also have lounge access. Currently it's October 2022. The lounge operates only from 5 to 7 in the evenings, and then during the daytime you might get also from 2 to 4 an option to get extra hot drinks at the lobby level cafeteria, and the breakfast is in the main restaurant. If you have some extra questions regarding this suite or the hotel, put it in the comments below. We're happy to comment to you back. And if you want to see other suite or room reviews here in Bangkok and beyond, check the previous reviews we have been doing at the Hotel Hoppers channel. If you have some feature requests for the future, which other properties we should go, put it in the comments below as well, so we could put it into the pipeline of us. And if you want to stay up to date of all the next videos we are making, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and you would be the first one to be notified of all the next uploads of the reviews we are making here in Thailand and beyond. Thank you for watching this episode, and see you soon again in a new hotel, in a new room or suite.